You mentioned content then. I mean, how pivotal has that been to the growth at Supermetrics?
Quite, I would say. It's been a big play for us. It's been a big focus for us in marketing, and that's always been the case, even before I joined. And so a lot of our inbound activities have been driven through content, and it's been a solid acquisition channel for us as well. And we've had some great content marketers working at Supermetrics. We partnered up with some fantastic freelancers as well, who are specialists in certain areas, whether it's on like e-commerce analytics or performance marketing. So our content strategy has basically been a search first strategy. So we've been looking at organic acquisition as the main focus for our content. And what we also found as well is that there is relatively strong demand for what our product does. So the focus has been on high intent, longer tail keyword terms. So an example could be if people are looking at how to move their Facebook ads data into a spreadsheet. That's the kind of thing we want to be answering for, and to be helping people to explain how to do those things, because that's one very simple thing our product will help you do. So it's been quite how-to driven, and it's been aligned with the product-led approach. And there are many other examples of this kind of content that is working well. And actually, just this morning, I was looking at one of our data studio reports on our content performance and looking at the number of trials that our blog and our content has impacted. And it's quite a significant number. So what we basically look at is how many people have started a trial of Supermetrics but have come and touched through the blog or one of our articles. And we can break that down as well by article. So we can see which articles are driving traffic, but we can also see which articles are driving conversions as well. So when looking at the numbers this morning, there's one article which gets a huge amount of visitors, but it doesn't convert so well. But then we have another article which gets almost 10 to 20% of the traffic, but it has about 3 times the number of conversions. So that kind of helps us understand where we should focus and so forth. And the other thing is that we can then repurpose that through podcasts. So we have the Marketing Analytics Show podcast, which is speaking about all things regarding marketing analytics, and it's also quite operational as well. We have webinars as well that we can repurpose. So figuring out how we can create content once, but then distribute it in multiple ways. So that's a little bit about content, how we approach content, and how we look at the success. And yes, it has definitely been a really important part of our growth over the years, and will continue to be going forward.